Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you what I got last night, and it's been a long while. What do we got here? Surprised from Speed Addicts. Oh yeah, let's see what is this. Oh yeah. We got a new helmet. Kyt-tt. Doesn't have the smoked lens yet. I just got it, I think I ordered this like about 2 weeks ago. Got some sticker here, the manual. Let's put it there. And let's get the actual helmet. Look at that. Alright. My new toy. Medium-sized Kyt-tt TT course model. Not bad. Not bad. It looks so nice so far. It looks so cool. Finally, I got a new helmet after a few years. I actually had a couple of helmets before, but they were from AliExpress, and this one is from Speed Addicts, a real one. I picked this up because of my CBR 600 color scheme are the same as this, so this will look good on me. So far it fits perfectly in my head. Again, it's a size medium right there. This is my old helmet, my first ever brand new helmet. First time I purchased a brand new helmet in 2014 when I first got my 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250. Very memorable helmet, but now I'm thinking about selling it now. Still really in good condition because I didn't really use this much, maybe for 2 seasons, 3 seasons. I don't really ride that much anyway, but I may need to wash it though, because yeah. Anyway, that one is ready with a mount. Right, all you need to do, maybe a Bluetooth for it, and it has a mohawk. If you like that, you can always remove that. Anyway, so this is my ride ready for the 2024 season. But then I'm gonna show you a little bit. This is my brand new helmet. I think this is second time I truly purchased a legitimate helmet. ever, second time. These are used. I got them for used. This one was brand new, but that one is from AliExpress. My gears. So this Kyt-tt helmet, TT course, really nice, and he has a vent here. Can't really see it from here. But vent there, vents here, here. All right, but other than that, I also have, of course, a Bluetooth for this baby. I'm gonna show you a little bit after. So that one's ready. I also ordered a smoke lens for that one, for that Kyt-tt TT course. I ordered from Amazon smoke lens for that helmet. And this is my Bluetooth from AliExpress. Guys, I don't really buy those really expensive devices, right? Because my pocket is not that deep. But if you have deep pockets, yeah, why not? Go ahead. You can always buy those really expensive ones. Even this helmet, this one here from Speed Addicts, only cost me less than 300 bucks. All right, Canadian. This one, if you're curious, that less about $100 from AliExpress, right? And this one, this Bluetooth, cost me 20 bucks from AliExpress. See guys, I don't really buy those really original ones. Based from my experience since 2014, I've been buying online from Wish, eBay, and AliExpress, and occasionally from Amazon. I never really had problems because I found those original ones anyway. They're also made in China, a lot of them, but their quality have improved drastically. So anyway, I don't know, maybe I'm just lucky. So far, not I didn't have any serious problem when it comes to bike parts. But I don't buy knockoff parts if it's critical motorcycle parts. Let's say if I have to buy a stator or a chain, you know, for this bike or a motor, whatever, I would probably definitely buy original parts. But if it's only like cosmetic, example, these levers, mirrors, grips, phone mount, I don't buy those rams. They're expensive too, but ridiculously sometimes, you know. But these knockoff parts, they last too. They last forever. Mirrors, that one's AliExpress, Chinese made, you know. All right, anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna show you what kind of Bluetooth is this. Let's open it. All right, so I just rip off the cover, and this is the unit. This is the manual, the actual unit. All right, and then the ear set, paddings. These are probably the paddings, yeah. Ear set itself, and the charger is here. Right, if you guys like to go and ride a lot with groups or a partner, better for you to buy those pair ones, like let's say Cardo, any Bluetooth that can accommodate more than 2 people, I mean more than 2 riders. This one I'm not sure how many, but usually I don't buy a pair. I only purchased two pairs before previously, all from AliExpress, and they're all good. This one, I think this is the first time I purchased just a single Bluetooth just for this helmet, for that Kyt helmet. So yeah, so we'll see. This one is ready for installation. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I'm gonna show you on my next episode how I installed, how my helmet would look like after I installed it, the new Bluetooth to my new Kyt-tt course helmet. Okay, alright guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you all to your support. Till next time.